Alright, so this is kind of a good one. I mentioned this in one of the other videos. There was an above ground pool on this lot, and the sellers sold it, took it with them. I don't know what they did. I just told them I didn't want it. So it left us with a huge pile of sand here. I tried getting some of it off. There's probably 2 inches of it, maybe 3. And after a while that just got old. So what I did was went and got a bunch of grass seed just to see if it would grow in sand. Everybody I asked, nobody knew. And as you can see, can you see? Where's a good patch? Is it coming up right there? I don't know if you can see that, but I've got little patches coming up everywhere. So for reference, it took about, I don't know, a week and a half, I guess. But now it's really starting to come up everywhere. And this is mid-August, so I'm hoping, we've had pretty good rains, but I'm hoping that it'll keep on coming up. But it's coming up through the straw now, which is fantastic. So if you ever wondered if grass will grow in sand, answer is yes. And this is just regular seed that had fertilizer with it and just regular straw. That's it, just the short one. So I was out here anyway. I'm going to give an update on the grass. I mean, it is really coming in now. I really never would have thought that would happen. I don't know how long it'll sustain, but looks good right now. I mean, it's pretty much coming up everywhere that I put the seed. Very cool, very cool.